Hi everyone. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will show you how to parse invoices and send data to Airtable with PDF.co using Zapier. We will use this sample invoice to parse data. Let's begin. First, log into your Zapier account and create a Zap. Next, select the Google Drive app and choose the new file and folder for the trigger event. Let's set up the trigger. In the Drive field, select My Google Drive. Then, choose the specific folder where the file was stored. After setting up, click the Test Trigger button. Once the test trigger was successful, you may proceed to Action Event. Search and select the PDF.co app. And choose the document parser to parse data. Let's set up the action. For the input field, enter the source file URL or select the link from your drive. For the template ID field, input the ID of the document parser template. You can create a new template in your PDF.co document parser template editor. Then, click the Test and Review button to see the result. Here's the parse data from Invoice. Now, let's send the parse data to Airtable. Search and select the Airtable app. Then, choose the Create Record for the event. In the Base field, select the base in which to create a record. In the Table field, enter the table name you created. For the Date field, click the PDF.co document parser drop-down box, and select the body object 1 value which contains the parsed data. For the Invoice number field, click the PDF.co document parser drop-down box, and select the body object 2 value which contains the parsed data. For the total field, click the PDF.co document parser drop-down box, and select the body object 3 value which contains the parsed data. Then, click the Test and Review button. We successfully send the parsed data to Airtable. Kindly check your Airtable to see the result. Here's the parsed data from Invoice that we send to Airtable. For more video tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.